tools that you can add
나는
here.
진짜로 보는 거였는데.
But do you need them? No. You don't have to learn every single one. But once in a while, just like I said, you might want to come and look at the built-in functions and add what all these other things. Maybe try to learn a new one. And there's a lot here, but it doesn't take long to learn what all these do.
자, 그거 다 알 필요는 없어요. 하나씩 이제 알아가지고요. 오늘 하는 게 이뉴머레이터입니다. 잘 봐요, 이거는.
All it does is it iterates, as you iterate over something, enumerate returns
그거 안 보이죠?
of the index value and
그거 안
the value
보이죠?
of the thing you're
화면 왜 안 보이죠?
Now the index value
아, 이거야?
is the thing in a list. So let's just write it out first, I think.
자, 저기다가
Decide which one to do. I don't know if I'm gonna write it out.
ABC.
for loop에다가 이누머레이터를
So
해버리네요.
count, comma, row in enumerate game.
자, 여러분 이걸 실습을 할 거거든요. 저거 없애고
And then we'll get rid of this count
또
here.
카운트 없애고
So now we're going to iterate over the rows in game. Now what is each row in game? Remember, each row
게임은 로우만 가지 있잖아요.
is bit.
근데 이누머레이터 하면 카운트가 딱 자동으로 생겨요.
values in the rows as well. And I can show that in a moment. But first, let's go ahead and print this one.
오케이,
As you can see, we have the
똑같이
same
안
나왔죠?
보이잖아.
One thing to take
좀
note
치워야지.
is that initially the index value starts at 0. Everything in programming starts at 0. If not, this is row 1, 2, 3. This is row 0, row 1, row 2. So sometimes you'll hear me refer to things as the firstth element because it's not the first element, it's the firstth element. So, or the zeroth element, and so on. So sometimes I'll make those distinctions just because you can
여기서는
sometimes get.
첫 번째 거 알고 제로 번째부터 시작해요. 여기서는
So those are, at least that's one of the built-in functions in Python. So just to show you what I meant too, sometimes this stuff can be hard to visualize at first. I'm sure many of you guys already have
여기
it.
로우야, 그지? 여기 로우야.
Okay, cool. I've got
카운트는
that.
여기 없어요. 하지만 이누머레이터는 카운트를 자동으로 만들어요.
Elements in each of these. This is a list of lists. So when we do a for something in that list of lists, you've got list 1 and then list 2. So when you iterate over a list of lists, the first thing that you're iterating over is the lists. But if you could take that further and iterate over the items in those lists with just another for. So as a quick note, if you want to leave something in your code or write something in your code, you can do what's called a comment. A single line comment is a pound or
코멘트를
a
할
hashtag,
때
depending on
한 줄을 코멘트 달리면 저렇게
anyways,
샤워를 하면 돼요.
that's how you comment something out. Comment is just for people reading your code, you to take notes. The programming language doesn't care what you put in there. It doesn't have to be Python 3 syntax.
코드가 아닙니다.
In the comment.
그냥
So
메시지입니다.
it's a single line comment. If you
Yes,
want
I know.
multi-line comments, you can
멘트입니다.
use
어?
triple quotes.
아니.
아니, 그냥 연습하는 거야. 세 줄 해놔놓고 멀티라인.
So anyways, now that we've commented those things out, we won't see them anymore. So now, let's instead say for item in row, because remember, row being a temporary value right now, it's the store of, like for example, this or this. It's all zeros, but you could iterate over them and print item.
자,
And as you can
모두
see,
다
it's
제로가
just a bunch of
나왔죠?
zeros. Nothing special.
안 되는 거.
Anyways, I think that's a good spot for us to stop. I am going to now get rid of our comment, get rid of this, and this will now throw an error, so I'm going to get rid of that. And let me make sure everything looks correct. It does. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is also at some point we probably should make this like A, B,
여러분도 ABC도 한번 바꿔봐요.
I think that starts to make a little more sense. But you can do whatever you want. I just think that's quite less than the was there. But so, anyways, I'm gonna leave it here. And now, moving forward, we at least got a game now. So we now know. You could say, okay, I want to play A0 or B2. So So if you typed in, let's allow the user to say B2, we can all agree that's going to be that spot right there. So what we need to start being able to do is use our programming to somehow manipulate that exact spot.
That
on the-
exact
on the
spot.
table. Also, we can do analysis with our programming to decide, hey, is it even one? Can they even move there? But also to visualize it for the user how they can move. So that's going to require indexing and
그걸 인덱싱이라고
precisely at the same time. So let's really talk about in the
다음
next
챕터에
video.
써야
If we have questions, comments, concerns, whatever, feel free to leave below.
자, 질문.
Join the Discord.
질문 있어요?
육사 말이다.
이거 안 들린 사람 있어요? 다 들렸어요?
예술 가물이다.
네. 자, 자기 노트북에 가가지고
What's going on, everybody?
저 비디오 틀어놓고 순서 따라하세요.
야 운현아 이거
그걸 파이썬
멀티태스킹
인
시켜.
프랙티스랍니다.
멀티태스킹 인터뷰.
아니 너 너무 넓은 것만 설정했잖아.
뭐?
나 너무 좋아.
자리타기 아니? 네가 느리게 온 거임. 자리타기.
너가 나보다 설정.
뭐 하는
네가 나보다 느리게 설치한 거임.
아 그냥 컨트롤.
헐레
근데
거야.
그건 그렇게. 오 좋아 너무 좋아.
먼저 한 사람이 이득이.
정우 못생김.
아 정우가 더 못생김.
정우 썩소.
카운트 영 지우고.
아왜 저지 이걸?
여러분 하고 있는 거 튜토리얼 4입니다. 튜토리얼 4.5.
어디 때문에 그랬지?
So now, what
네,
I'm going to
네.
do is also at some point we probably should make this like a
저는 쓰던 거.
이거를 줘.
이거 ABC야.
대신은 컨트롤 V에다데.
But you can do whatever you want. I just think that's probably less likely to cause
설마
problems later.
없어졌나?
오 좋다. 아 제발 없어졌어.
니꺼 어디 갔어?
설마 없어졌나? 어쩌졌노?
그는 같습니다.
시끄럽다 저.
야 일단은 자기 하나 알려줄까? 얘는 복사할 필요도 없어.
네.
똑같은 데 한 다음에
그거
이름만
나가봐.
바꾸면 돼.
스블라임 텍스트 다시 들어가봐.
뭐가 귀찮아? 복사해야 되는.
뭐라는 거 컨트롤
새벽마다 새롭게 하려고.
뭔지 자세히 말해줘야지 내가 맞는.
그